Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we start the new topics area of parallelogram and triangles. Area of parallelogram and triangles of class 9th, chapter 9. In this chapter we discuss the triangle as well as parallelogram. Both are on the same base and between the same parallel lines. Therefore, the exercise second of the question number first. Exercise second of the question number first. In the figure AB, ABCD is a parallelogram. In the figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. Now, in figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Then ABCD is a parallelogram. A, B, C and D. A is perpendicular and CF is also perpendicular. Then AB, CD. Question number first. ABCD is parallelogram and AE perpendicular to DC. AE perpendicular to DC. And CF perpendicular to AD. Perpendicular to AD. If AB equal to 16 centimeter, AE equal to 8 centimeter and CF equal to 10 centimeter. EF equal to 10 centimeter. Now ABCD is a parallelogram. Then AE perpendicular to DC and CF perpendicular to AD. Therefore, AB equal to 16 centimeter, AE equal to 8 centimeter and CF equal to 10 centimeter. Then we find the distance of AD. So therefore, area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to base into height. So base is equal to DC and height is equal to AE. So DC equal to AB equal to AE. So therefore 16 into 8 equal to 128 centimeter square. DC into AE and DC is parallel to AB, DC is parallel to AB, and DC equal to AB, DC equal to AB, DC is parallel to AB and DC equal to AB. So area of parallelogram is equal to 128 centimeter square. Now we take the base of DC and the height of AE. Another way, we find the area of ABCD is equal to base AD and height CF. 128 is equal to AD and height 10 centimeter. So implies that AD equal to 128 upon 10, that's equal to 12.8 centimeter. So AD equal to 12.8 centimeter is the height of 12.8 centimeter is the base of AD. बेस ऑफ एडी। क्वेश्चन को जरा एक बार और ध्यान से देखो कि एबीसीडी जो है एक पैरेललोग्राम है। इसमें एबी की साइड, एई की साइड और सीएफ की साइड दी हुई है। हमें एडी की साइड फाइंड करनी है, साइड एबी को फाइंड करना है। हम एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम लिए जिसके फार्मूले बेस इंटू हाइट है। बेस हमने डीसी लिया, हाइट हमने एई लिया, डीसी इंटू एई। अब डीसी एबी के पैरेलल है तो एबी के इक्वल भी होगा, और एबी के इक्वल भी होगा तो एबी इंटू एई होगा ये। और एबी 16 है, एई 8 है, सो 128 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इज द area of parallelogram. In the second way, we select the area of parallelogram ABCD. base को हमने AD लिया, then height CF, base AD and height CF, height CF. So therefore 128 equal to AD into 10, and therefore AD equal to the 12.8 centimeter is the base of another way. Clear? Next, as the question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. EFGH is the midpoint of EFGH is the midpoint of side AB, BC, CD. EFGH is the base of is the midpoint of side AB, BC, CD and DA. Now join EF, FG, GH and HE. Now another joining AC. EFGH is the midpoint of side AB, BC, CD and DA of a parallelogram. Then show that area of EFGH equal to the half of area of ABCD. EFGH की जो एरिया है वह ABCD के एरिया के हाफ होगी। ये हमें प्रूव करना है। हमें प्रूव करना है कि जो EFGH की एरिया है ABCD के एरिया की आधी होगी। अब इसमें क्या क्या हमें गिवन है? गिवन ए पैरेललोग्राम ABCD, ये पैरेललोग्राम ABCD एक पैरेललोग्राम है। ABCD जो है एक पैरेललोग्राम है और EFGH is the midpoint of and EFGH is the midpoint of side AB, BC, CD and DA. EFGH is the midpoint of side AB, BC, CD and DA. To prove area EFGH equal to half area ABCD and construction join A to C and S to F, H को F से और A को C से ज्वाइन कर दिया। नाउ प्रूफ एक बार फिर से देख लीजिए। EFGH is the midpoint of parallelogram ABCD of side AB, BC, CD and DA. This is the given. Now we prove that area EFGH is the half of area ABCD. Area ABCD. Show in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, E and F is midpoint of AB and BC. Then EF is parallel to AC and EF is a half of AC. That is first. EF जो है AC के पैरेलल होगा और EF जो है AC का हाफ होगा। Similarly Similarly, H and G are midpoint, then HG parallel to AC and HG half of AC. Number 2, from 1 and 2, HG parallel to EF and HG equal to EF. So therefore EFGH is parallelogram. Is parallelogram. EFGH is parallelogram. Clear? EFGH is a parallelogram. Now see the next part of that. In quadrilateral ABFH, in quadrilateral ABFH, HA equal to FB, HA parallel to FB implies that HA equal to FB, So AD equal to BC, and AB equal to DC. So AD equal to BC and AB equal to DC. AD equal to DC is the side of a parallelogram. Then AB parallel to HF, AX parallel to FB. One pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. One pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal, then ABFH is parallelogram. क्लियर? ये हमारा जो है ABFH जो है यह भी पैरेललोग्राम हो गया। एंड एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल AHEF, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल HEF इक्वल टू हाफ HEF, area of triangle HEF is half of EFGH is half of HAFB, half of area of HAFB, and the area of triangle HGF equal to half of area of HDCF. So therefore area of triangle HEF plus area of triangle HGF is equal to 1/2 area HABF plus area 1/2 area HDCF. Therefore area EFGH is equal to half area ABCD. EFGH is equal to the half of area ABCD. यहाँ पर जो एरिया हमने फाइंड किया है वो ये ट्रायंगल और ये ट्रायंगल, दोनों ट्रायंगल का सम एरिया EFGH, और ऊपर जो है ये पैरेललोग्राम और ये पैरेललोग्राम, दोनों पैरेललोग्राम का सम क्या हो गया, हाफ ऑफ एरिया ABCD इस पैरेललोग्राम के। क्लियर? ओके, नाउ थैंक यू।